That wasn't a stop. Was that either? I don't know. That's it. We'll go. Do I have a choice? You're freaking halfway out in the freaking intersection, lady. Jesus Christ. Go or stopping. Go or stopping. Go or stopping. See, you could have made that. You know, just don't. Oh, Toyota. Go direct to the left lane. And don't use your blinker. Speed limit, yeah. I'm never gonna get that sign. Direct to the left lane, right 4. Direct to the left lane, line 4, right 4, right 4. Oh my God, they gave this too. Wow, shit's getting done when no one's driving, huh? Whoops, yeah, what the, whoopsie, hey. Good. Yep, there. Good move, honey. It'd be funny if she wasn't even getting off here. Up. Got him right back off. Ha 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 ha. Uh-oh. Stop sign. That's right. Stop sign. That's a stop sign. That's not a stop. You need a sign to stop? We get a sign to stop. Let me just stop. I don't think he did either. Let's go, kids. Let's go. Lord. Yeah, wrong lane, dumbass. Jesus, you're a moron. Yeah, wrong lane, dumbass. Jesus, you're a moron. And so are you. This woman has a cat on her dashboard. A real, live, living orange Morris the Cat tabby cat. I think she qualifies as a crazy cat lady. Treats on the dashboard. Nice. Did he stop? I don't think that Jeep stopped. Check the tape. Oh, there are 2 stop signs here. Okay, so definitely didn't stop the other one. Stop at this one. I'm gonna look. There's no one coming, so we go anyway. Are you gonna stop behind me? Can't tell. I'll look at the stopping here, and I'm going. And then we'll see what she does. Is she gonna stop? Nope. Nope. Not her. Not her, Reno. Now, are you making an illegal U-turn in order to beat the light? Yeah, exactly what he did. that an exit dive back there? Turn signals. Oops. 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 We got oops here. Someone doing donuts in the middle of friggin' Pike? Shitski, that's about half a mile. Exit dive. Me too. But it wasn't as bad as that one. It's my blinker and everything. Stop sign, Mr. Big Rig. Just because you got inertia doesn't mean you don't have to stop. Go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Give you a look, douchebag. Stop looking at your phone and drive. You know that. Yeah, was that kind of, that was a red light runner, I guess? Jesus Christ. Okay, now we're in one lane. I mean, are you right turning it in the right light here? I think they just ran the red light on the turn. You stop before you turn. Just like not that. Ready? Set. Go! Yeah. Someone ran the red light. Jesus. Thanks. A lot. Jesus. Thank you. I'm sure you had a really good reason for doing that, huh? God, oh, you suck. Yeah, you're a red light douche. Come on, let's go. Christ's sake, could this be shortened anymore? Out of my trunk, dude. All right, thank you. Thank you. I realize it's a quick cycle, but you know, you don't have to hit my butt. Ouch. Hi. This is America. We drive on the right side of the road. Even in a little tiny parking lot like this. Yeah, let's park here. Stop, dude. Will you cut the shit? Seriously, cut the shit. No. Did he stop? I don't think he stopped back there. Nice, nice. She has the phone mounted on her hand. Look at this. Look at this. Jesus freaking Christ. Don't be surprised to find. Yeah, that's an exit dive. That's definitely an exit dive. I do not recommend trying to cut me off on day. Thank you. Mazda, close the hole. And there's the exit dive. Okay, we go. That's a stop. That's not a stop. Yeah. And click, click, click. And that's a stop. And you didn't want to, but you did. Had to. I'm stopping. I'm looking. I'm going. She's gonna roll it, right? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Okay, stop before you turn. No, stop before you turn. The green arrow is not there, you dumbass. What the hell are you doing? Wow. I'm doing 55 for Christ's sakes. Okay, there we go. Oh, he ran. Whoa. I believe that Toyota ran the. Well, he ran the stop there. Okay. Look for a lot of circles in this one. That was mostly a stop. This won't be a stop because Range Rover. See? Yeah. Ding. I could really annoy you guys and put the ding dong sound effect in. That was my phone. He didn't want to stop. I'm not even looking this way. I'm looking to the left. But I think that van just ran it. And he's not going. No, he didn't stop. No. No, that's a slow roll. A lot of editing to do on this one. Oh. Subaru totally blew it on my left. Totally. And Lincoln, so much to look at with only two eyes. You can hear me now. Jeez. Thanks. That is a mass hole left. Either that or the meathead was letting them out. I don't know. pisses me off either way. I piss easily sometimes, you know that? And that wasn't a stop. I think that Honda just cut off the car if it was coming out of here. Nose roll! Yay! Okay. Angel in your arms this morning. Oh, there we go. And blew that one right through. Yep. Did he stop? I'm not sure. Did he stop? I'm not sure. I'm blinking and I'm going and thank you and trying to hit me and let's see. Shenanigans in the back. Oh. Did everybody stop? Did that van stop? I don't know. That Nissan did not stop. Neither did that Escape. Well, that was a total blow. Camry.